Okay, we're using this. You do for name of the site WP-admin. This is video 1 of multiple training. Over here, we got to decide what their standard password is going to be. I'll talk about that. And we'll remember the password. So we're in. So once you're in, the first tendency is to go to everything else. First thing you want to do is switch your password. And of course you go in here to do that. But then you want to work inside the plugin itself. I would rather you start right here right away and then work your way down towards the bottom. In the general setup, you know, you've got things like themes and things like categories and all this stuff. I'd like you to explore on your own and make better. There's where the categories are managed.
Let me ask you this. I noticed that there was only one theme option available. We're just giving them one theme that they can use.
The theme is Movie Press.
Okay.
Okay. And what you're going to do is do that. And then you click here, and these are the pages you want to see or not see. Okay.
Okay.
And again, play around. Let's get it livened up. I mean, if you play around in here, you're going to figure everything. The images. This is where you would upload the fave icon. If you look on TV show how it's that little guy next to, you know what fave icon is. This is where you do it. Play around with all of this. I'm going to set you up this on TV know-how, and so you could do it from scratch. And then the search is right there, okay? Members, this is where the members area is. Display, you know, you work on members setting. Display settings. What do we want to see? Again, there's these multiple tabs here. What do you want to see in the display? How do you want the video to display? Play various ways with it, okay? Membership site. Membership. Enable the packages. There's going to be 3 packages I'll talk about. One, when you're done building your first site, you give it back to me. I'll go in and edit the packages. Then we want to take that site and replicate it across the board. There's this advertising. We want this advertising to always be the banner that shows up on top of TV Show How. This banner.
Okay.
TVShowHow.com. You see this banner right here?
Right.
We want this banner to be always there, but we wanted to always take them into the mothership. And we also want it to be the banner that makes affiliate links happen. Well, currently, I don't have a good affiliate link software, so I need help. And I'm not sure what we're going to find. Okay? See, now that banner, all I did is unclick that one button, and that banner is gone. It is a site owner's...
Christmas is coming, and well, this group's getting pretty fat. I mean...
I shouldn't have been experimenting that long. We're going to approach 5 minutes. But it was the site owner's choice whether they want to pay $300 a month or not. And that choice is literally, do you leave this clicked on or off? Okay. So if we're going to give it to them clicked on, we're going to, in the images, we're going to give them a header that looks a certain way. Probably... we'll customize the header. They can customize it too if they want. But we give them a basic header that says the name on it, you know, Sheila, Holyfield, and so on. And then this is the advertising. Maybe learn, you know, to get us the click bank and the image banners. I don't know, but for right now, that's fine. Don't busy yourself. Google Plus, Google and its stuff is here. A job, you know, a tracking. I would like to see us have a tracking for their sub, not just for ours. Payments, default everything to a single account I'll give you, and then when a person goes in and fixes it, fine. If they don't, I get a payment. I'll know from the name of the packages. Order managers, that's something they'll learn. File managers is something they'll learn. Okay, and you could check it out. Email manager is right here, and then the import video. I'm going to stop at email manager. I'd like you to study that. There are videos training on all of this stuff, okay? Okay, normally you would do import video. Let's click on that, and you would do Desmond Sim, and I wanted to search for an interview that we're going to upload, and he's not coming up, so we'll say new search. Okay, and then instead of a search over here on the left side, for some reason it's buried, but it's in the screen somewhere. Oh, here we go. Import from YouTube. That button right there. Did you see it on top?
Yeah.
Okay, and then we'll say go, and then we'll pick out innovation and another category. It's not UK, it's regional, and that's good enough. 3 categories. So we'll say upload video. When it's done, then we go down here to the video section and look for the video we just uploaded, right? And there he is. Okay, and then we'll click on edit that video. You see how it's got pending right there?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll click on edit, and pending means we haven't given them the treatment from inside our TV show how. Okay, if we wanted the screen to play him as the feature, we would say yes to this, but we're not, and we're going to say highlight this listing. If we want this particular video to be a part of a package, we would have it here. And then, of course, there's something called the teaser, which you'll learn about, which we're not doing. Okay, and then you go back up to the top right here and say publish, and this particular video is done. So now when we go back to TV Show How, we're looking for Desmond Sims. He wasn't here for sure. I just added him. Am I going too fast? But I'm figuring the video can bail you out.
No, I'm fine.
So instead of having to listen to all of that, we'll just wait and look at all that beautiful content moving across. They're all my friends. Isn't that incredible? It's all our friends.
That's awesome.
It is awesome. What about if the whole world was our friend? There's Desmond. You see him? So you click on him,
Yep.
and
Okay.
Desmond is playing. I'm probably going to move him away from the other blue one. Amit from TV Show How. The show heard around the world and participated with authors and creators of content from around the world. Okay, so we'll pause that and we'll go back. I got a little carried away here watching. And we'll go back here. Okay, and once again, you notice down here, now we're back in normal movie press setting, video press setting. There doesn't seem to be... I don't want my guys getting all busy with SEO and this and that, but the share this buttons are kind of goofy. We got to look into that, see if we can edit those out and put our own version of share this, because the share this buttons are like some goofy... Whoa, what happened? The share this buttons are not buttons we want to manage. I mean, I guess this is plus, but I don't like these buttons at all. They're just like too big and whatever. You still with me?
Yeah, I'm here.
And I'm not sure where they go to. This is like BearShare. No, this is Baidu's. I mean, I would leave it just simply because we honestly do want this to be international. Okay?
Yeah.
Back to movie press. So here we are. Theme update is what it is. And then I'm going to see if we can get to the training section. You click on theme update or go to quick help. Okay, and on quick help, you can look at errors you might have made and try to fix what those errors are by clicking on show what those are. This is a really important place. It'll tell you, for example, you haven't installed this correctly or you haven't installed that correctly. And then, of course, when you light up the theme, it must have my license. And once we turn it on over on your side, I got to buy a second set of licenses. But for right now, we could build it with the license. Okay?
Okay.
All right, and that makes